Is your productivity stopped because CAPI for Dear ImGui, Graphical UI, can't find the Cimgui module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Avoid long manual edits for Cimgui module by using the suggested repair utility in the description. This is the Cimgui module, a C language wrapper for the Dear ImGui interface library, enabling high-performance immediate mode overlays in applications written in C or systems languages. Without it, overlays such as debug panels, trainers, or monitoring HUDs may fail to render, sometimes causing silent crashes when the overlay layer fails to initialize. Now that you know how the file works, let's focus on the how and fix the issue. The file Cimgui module DLL is required for CAPI for Dear ImGui, Graphical UI, to properly initialize and a full reinstallation of the application. Encountering the error will fix the issue by restoring all unique third-party dependencies. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A full system restart clears the temporary memory cache and allows Windows to attempt a fresh initialization of all required libraries, including Cimgui module. Before you reboot, make sure to bookmark this video or click the like button so you can easily find your way back to the next step once your PC is back up and running. If you're still seeing the same problem post-restart, let's escalate our troubleshooting to the next tier. Feel free to pause the video if the next steps come at you too fast. Rebooting didn't restore the monitoring tools, so let's run a command to reset the performance indicators. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr/R, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, these files rarely suffer from physical corruption. Instead, their registration in the performance hive becomes desynced. This command purges those stale entries and rebuilds the registry links. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Please be cautious of websites offering free downloads of Cimgui module DLL. These files are frequently the wrong version for your specific PC architecture and can introduce viruses into your sensitive system folders. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. If boot alerts or library warnings persist, the official diagnostic kit below provides general guidance on Cimgui module. If this engineering-focused approach to fixing Cimgui module was helpful, please like the video and subscribe to stay updated on Windows security protocols.